Hi friends, Namaste. This is Dr. Lakshmi. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to show one small yoga flow or Vinyasa flow, which is a sequence. Like you will not stop, you just follow the yoga postures one after the other. That's called yoga flow or Vinyasa flow. So whoever is used to yoga and doing yoga for more than 6 months can try this. Okay, so it may involve superficial stretches and deep stretches also. Okay, so let's start. Before doing, always try to do some warm up and then you can start. Okay, stand in front of your mat, deep breath in, breathe in, breathing out, bending from the hips, open your chest and bend from the hips and fall forward. Hang your head, breathing up, hands down, step back, one leg at a time into down dog. Push your head towards your knees, pedal your legs, prepare your legs. Deep breath in, right leg up. And bring your right knee to the right elbow, hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, take your leg up and drop your right leg left side, twisting your spine, look right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, leg up. Now bring your right knee to the left elbow, twisting your spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, leg up. And now bring your right leg between your hands. Adjust your left foot and rise up into high lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sit into low lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands down, left hand in front of the right foot. Lift your hips, twist your spine, stretch right hand up. Look at the upper hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hand down. Now here you need to balance and focus. Adjust your left foot and take your right hand under the right thigh and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands down. Go down onto your elbows into lizard pose. Again, lot of hip opening. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest your left knee and drop your right knee right side. More hip opening, a lot of hip opening. Now bend your left leg, drop your right knee, turn your foot completely opposite side and twisting your spine. Hold your left foot, pull it towards your hips. 1, 2, deep breathing. 3, 4, 5. Good deep stretch. Take your leg back, tuck your toes, lift your hips and take the other leg back into plank. You can adjust your hands and legs, tight tummy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adjust your right hand in the center. Twist your feet, one foot in front of the other. Don't drop, lift your hips. Straight hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take your upper leg, the left leg towards left side. Push your hips up. Twist your body and stretch left hand back. Balance and focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly balancing yourselves. Come back to plank. Take a vinyasa. And breathing out to down dog. Here always when you come to down dog, you can keep pedaling your legs. Shake your head, shake your hips. Push your head towards your knees. Okay, this pose with one leg, so we will repeat with the other side. Breathe, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, left leg up. Bring your left knee to the left elbow and hold here. 1, 2, deep breathing. 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, leg up and drop it towards right side. Twist your head left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, leg up. Now twisting your body. Bring your left knee to the right elbow. 1, tight tummy. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, leg up. Now bring your left foot between your hands. Adjust your right foot and rise up into high lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in, breathing out. Low lunge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands down, right hand in front of the left foot. Twist your spine, lift your hips, twist your spine straight, so left hand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hand down. Again, adjust yourselves and take your left hand under the left thigh. Look down, balance yourselves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hands down. Slowly go down onto your elbow, opening hips. A lot of hip opening in this. 1. Back leg straight and engage your thighs and tummy. 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest your right leg. Okay. Now drop your left knee, left side. Turn your left foot completely right side. Bend your right leg. Twisting your spine. Hold it. And hold it towards your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Deep stretch. Hands down. Tuck your toes. Lift your hips up. And take your left leg back into plank. Okay, tight tummy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Adjust your left hand in the center. Roll the joints in one line. Twist your feet. One foot in front of the other. Lift your hips. You can adjust your hand if you want. Straight hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now slowly balancing yourselves. Take your right foot beside the left one. Push your hips up and stretch. Balance and focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slowly focus your mind and balance yourselves. Come back to plank. Take a vinyasa. Plank, chaturanga, cobra. And breathing out to down dog. Push your head towards your knees. Again, as I said, pedal your legs. Now rest your knees. Walk your hands and forehead down. Relax here. Relax in puppy pose. Deep breathing. And slowly rise up. Okay friends, so this was Vinyasa flow or yoga flow or yoga sequence, whatever you call. So this way, so many other postures we can add and continuously we can do for as long as you are able to. Okay friends, so do try this kind of yoga flow or Vinyasa flow sequences. They are very, very challenging and also a lot of focus of mind we require. We can do even more longer sequences also when you get used to. Okay, so let us do one more yoga flow or Vinyasa flow in one more next video. Okay friends, so see you again. Thank you for watching. Namaste.